Hi everyone, welcome to my today's video on DevOps with Jenkins. I am Shreya.wath from MIT Academy of Engineering and my guide is Dr. Sheetal Kumar Jain. Today, I will walk you through how Jenkins simplifies and automates the software development process. In today's video, we will learn about Jenkins architecture along with its installation on EC2 instance and its complete setup process. So let's get started. First off, what exactly is Jenkins? Jenkins is an open source automation server widely used in DevOps for continuous integration and continuous delivery. Simply put, it helps automate repetitive tasks like building, testing, and deploying software. This streamlines the development process and speeds up delivery. It's a go to tool for automating software workflows. So, what can Jenkins do? Its main strength lies in its flexibility. Jenkins can automate the building and testing of your projects, deploy your applications to different environments, and monitor the entire process. Think of it as the backbone that helps development and operations team work more efficiently. Jenkins architecture and its components. Now, let's talk about the architecture. This diagram shows the architecture of Jenkins. At the center is the Jenkins server, which manages everything: jobs, users, plugins, credentials, and configurations. It delegates work to agents, which are responsible for running jobs. Agents are of two types: static and dynamic. Static agents run continuously on dedicated systems like Linux or Windows machines and connect to the server via SSH or Windows RM. Dynamic agents, on the other hand, are created on demand using tools like Docker, Kubernetes, or cloud services like AWS EC2 and are destroyed after the job is done. They communicate with the server using JNLP. This setup allows Jenkins to balance constant availability with scalability and resource efficiency, making it perfect for a wide range of CI/CD tasks. This architecture diagram is taken from www.devopscube.com. Jenkins pipeline. Here's where Jenkins shines the pipeline. This is the backbone of continuous integration and continuous development. It automates every step of your workflow. Let me break it down to you. First is code checkout. The pipeline starts by fetching the latest source code from a version control system like Git. Second, build. Jenkins compiles the code into a build artifact, essentially a package containing everything needed for deployment. Third is test. The build rig is rigorously tested through unit, integration, or functional tests to ensure quality. Fourth is deploy. If everything passes, the artifact is deployed to the target environment, whether it's development, staging, or production. Fifth and the last is feedback. Finally, the pipeline generates feedback, helping you identify issues and improve your process. Everything is automated, so it saves time and minimizes errors. Now, let's head towards the installation and setup of of Jenkins on AWS. So our first step will be setting up Jenkins on AWS EC2. Let's set up Jenkins on an AWS EC2 instance step by step. So what is an EC2 instance? An EC2 instance, Elastic Compute Cloud Instance, is a virtual server in Amazon Web Services used to run applications on the cloud. Let's see how to create an EC2 instance. Here, on the EC2 dashboard, click on Instances. Then go to Launch Instance. Type a name for your instance. I'll be giving Jenkins. Scroll down. Click Ubuntu as the AMI image. After that, keep the instance type as T2 micro as it is free tier eligible and you will not be charged any cost for using it. The next part is creating a key pair. So we'll create a new key pair. Now you will ask, what is a key pair? So a key pair is a combination of a public key and a private key that's used to secure access to EC2 instances. So type a name here. We'll be typing pair key, keep it to RSA, and then create key pair. Now this key pair file will be downloaded into your Windows machine. Scroll down. Now here, select existing, no, go for a create security group. We'll be creating a new security group for this instance. Scroll down and click on launch instance. Okay. Now in instances, you can see whether your instance has been created or not. It will take some time to load. See, it's still pending. Wait for a few seconds and it will be changed to running. The instance state will change to running. Keep on refreshing. You can see that your instance is now running. Now, go to the security. Here, scroll down. Go to the security group which is attached to our EC2 instance. Here, scroll down and go to edit inbound rules. So, I would like to tell you that our Jenkins runs on 8080 port. So, we will have to add an inbound rule as of 8080 port so that when we launch our Jenkins, we can access it. We can access the traffic using the 8080 port. Here, go for custom TCP. Type in 8080. Allow the traffic anywhere and add the rule. Okay. Now your security group rule is configured. Go on instances. Click on connect to the instance. We'll connect to our instance using EC2 connect instance. You can see our instance has been connected. First of all, we will update our Ubuntu machine by using the command sudo apt update. The updation process has been completed. The next step will be adding the Jenkins repository key. So we have a website here which is a Jenkins package. So this will help us in adding Jenkins Debian packages to our EC2 instance. Copy this and paste it here. What this command will do is it will add the Jenkins repository key onto our EC2 instance. The next command will be adding the Jenkins apt repository entry. Okay, this is done. Now update your instance once again. Your instance has been updated. Now we'll be installing Java onto your EC2 instance. Hit enter. So we have configured Java 17 to install on a EC2 instance. Okay, so the Java has been successfully installed. Now we'll go ahead with the installation of Jenkins. For that, we'll type in the command sudo apt dash get space install Jenkins. So now we'll ask that what is sudo? Sudo is super user do. Type in yes here. So it provides you with the administrative privileges to perform any actions onto your EC2 instance. Wait for some times, guys. It is getting installed. Okay. So now the Jenkins has been successfully installed. Now we'll be starting our Jenkins. So we'll use the command sudo systemctl. First we'll be enabling it. Okay. Done. Sudo systemctl start Jenkins. Enter. Okay. Now as you can see the Jenkins has been started. We'll check the status of it. You can see our Jenkins has been successfully started. Now we'll be accessing it. Before that, we'll ask what is the meaning of systemctl. So systemctl is nothing but it takes care of whatever installations we are doing on a EC2 instance. It will take care of its starting, stopping, the installation process. You can use the systemctl commands to handle all the configurations. Now go to your instances, copy your public IP, open a new tab and type in the public IP here which you have copied. Type colon 8080. We are using the 8080 port because we have because Jenkins works on it and we have configured it in our security group. Now here it is asking for the administrator password. So from where we'll be getting it? Now let's look into that. So you have to copy this command and paste it here. Type sudo cat and paste. What this command will do is it will retrieve a Jenkins administrator password so that we can access it. Copy this and paste here. Click on continue. So as you can see, we have to install some plugins. Now there are two options: install suggested plugins or select plugins to install. What plugins do is help to customize our Jenkins pipeline. Whatever testing or source code retrieval or pull build operations are done, for that we'll need suggested plugins. Jenkins works on plugins, so either you can go with suggested plugins, or if you want to customize it you can also select plugins to install. For now we will go with install suggested plugins. As you can see, the plugin installation process has been started. Wait for the installation to complete. Please be patient, guys, as it will take some time. Till the installation is getting completed, I would like to inform you that I am currently doing the capstone project. I'm in the final year of my BTech, and before this, I have also uploaded some videos on DevOps, and I'll be going further with the series of it. So please stay tuned with my channel, guys, as you'll be getting quality content here. As you can see, we are having a Git plugin here, GitHub branch source. So what these plugins do is it helps to get the source code from our repository, Git repository, and then we help it in compilation, testing, and other tasks. So our plugins have been successfully installed. Yeah. So here we have to create a first admin user. Type in your username. I'll be typing shreya.wath. Give a good password. Type here to confirm the password. Give your full name and your email address. Okay. Now we're ready. We'll be going ahead, save and continue. So this is your Jenkins URL. You can access your Jenkins dashboard using this URL. We'll click on save and finish. Start using Jenkins. So congratulations to you guys. We are done with our Jenkins installation. So here's a Jenkins dashboard, and it is ready to use now. You can use it for building CICD pipelines and automating deployments. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope this session gave you a clear understanding of Jenkins and how it supports DevOps. And don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Feel free to leave your thoughts, ask questions, or share your ideas with your peers. You can also mail me at shreya.wath@mitAOE.ac.in. Thank you and have a great day ahead.